Welcome back to our channel, where we help you make smarter purchases. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. It's time to pit the Segotep 750W against the CORSAIR RM650. Will it be the heavyweight champion of wattage, or the sleek, quiet contender? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The Segotep is going for a cool $99, while the CORSAIR is slightly cheaper at $89. Reviewers have noted that the CORSAIR provides great value for its price, with many appreciating its quality and durability. The Segotep, on the other hand, is often praised for its reliability and excellent performance despite the higher price. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, the CORSAIR could be your new best friend. But hey, Segotep could make a great conversation starter at parties. Now, on to efficiency. The Segotep boasts an impressive 80 PSU Gold certification with 91.8% efficiency, making it a top choice for power efficiency. Reviewers highlight its performance during power outages, showcasing its reliability. Meanwhile, the CORSAIR also shines with its 80 PSU Gold certification, delivering steady power at up to 90%, with users appreciating the stability it brings to their systems. So if you're keeping score, we've got a tie. Next, let's talk modularity. The Segotep is fully modular, allowing you to use only the cables you need, which many users find beneficial for cable management. Reviewers have noted the ease of installation and organization with the Segotep's design. The CORSAIR? Surprise, it's also fully modular. Users rave about the neatly tied cables that come in the box, making installation a breeze. It's like they went to the same cable management school. Now, let's get a little quiet. The CORSAIR features a 120mm rifle bearing fan that keeps things silent, even under full load. Reviewers have praised its quiet operation, noting that while it's not completely silent, the noise level is comparable to other fans in the build. Meanwhile, the Segotep is like that one friend who can't help but yell when they get excited. It's powerful, but some users have mentioned it might wake the neighbors. So if you want peace and quiet, CORSAIR's your guy. If you want to host a rock concert, Segotep is ready to rock and roll. Finally, let's talk capacity. The Segotep can handle up to 750W and is ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 ready, which is perfect for those who want to push their graphics cards to the limit. Reviewers have successfully powered high-performance systems with it. Meanwhile, the CORSAIR offers a respectable 650W capacity and is also modern standby compatible. Users appreciate its performance for budget builds, making it a reliable choice for gamers looking to save. So, if you're gaming on a budget, CORSAIR has got your back. But if you're going all out, Segotep is your power-hungry friend. In summary, both power supplies have their strengths and weaknesses. Reviewers have highlighted the Segotep for its reliability and performance, especially during power outages, while the CORSAIR is celebrated for its quiet operation, ease of installation, and overall value for money. It ultimately depends on what you prioritize in a power supply. So who's the winner? If you're looking for power and compatibility, go for the Segotep. But if you want a quieter, more budget-friendly option, the CORSAIR is your pal. Remember folks, whether you choose to save a few bucks or go all out, always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.